So I got this question from YouTube actually. So the question sounds like this. What if 3 friends own a property and now 2 of them got better salary and 1 didn't? Can same property be still refinanced? So this is a response in my video on YouTube about reasons to refinance. I don't have much context here, but I think the question here, I can assume that these 3 friends own a property, meaning 3 friends, the names are on the S&P. Okay, so now 2 of them got better salary and 1 didn't. And can the question here is that can this property still be refinanced? The answer is yes. Answer is yes. I'm not sure, maybe what you want to do is to, I don't know how the structure, I'm assuming three names on the S&P, 3 names on the loan. Okay, so now 2 of them have higher salary, 1 didn't, right? So you want to refinance, you want to use this 2-person name to refinance. Can. It's called a third party refinance. Can. Okay? But not all banks actually keen. When it comes to refinance, right, not all banks are keen on third party, especially if the relationship is weak. Here the relationship is weak. Friends, relationship is weak. Husband and wife, possible. Parent and child, possible. Okay? But friends is weak. So the bank might insist on having all the 3 of you on the loan, and then you can refinance. But it's okay, you can always do all 3 of you on the loan to refinance. Of course, maybe there's one person, maybe the credit not good, okay, the secret is not good, that's why you don't want to add into the loan. It's possible. But most of the banks I know will insist on all 3 of you in the loan for it to allow you to refinance. It doesn't matter about the salary of the third person who didn't have a better salary, because it will depend on the 2-person, the profile, and they still look at whether the property actually has appreciated in price or not. I hope that answers your questions, okay? So if you have any more questions, I just ask questions in the comments wherever you're watching this. I'll do my best to take as many questions as I can, okay? See you. Bye-bye.